So for me, it is, so when I used to do them, I used to dread videos every single time, guys. I used to dread them. I used to do them, and I dreaded them because when I started recording videos, I would record, and every time that I made a mistake, I would start over again. And I had Big View. You guys probably remember me talking about Big View. Okay.
That's like the transponder. Or
the transcriber.
Transponder.
And I would read that so you could really tell I was reading. Nobody was resonating. I would have some people, comment. I would get a lead here and there, but it was a nightmare. Literally, it really was. So I knew it was important, but I didn't see the value. Well, once we started seeing that visibility is actually even more important than ability, it was like, okay, I got to figure this out. We got to figure this out. So I never thought Mark would ever want to do a video in his life, right? So he was just at our cabin in Tennessee, one of our Airbnbs, and all of a sudden, he has a t-shirt on. He's in the dark.
I'm sweaty. I just cleaning for 2 hours.
And he gets up, and I didn't even know he did it because I was in the cabin next door, and he gets up, and I see that he did this video.
I sent it to our VAs. They edit it. They post it. And I just blew her out of the water. And
I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. Really? Are you kidding me? And
so you're thinking, I'm gonna make a point here. I'm sweating, I'm in a t-shirt, I have bad lighting, and you didn't have a script or bullet points, and just zoop, you did it, and...
Well, because sometimes it works when you're irritated. I had been thinking about something,
right.
And so I just did it, and it was about real estate, but it was just...
And you were passionate, and you knew
and it came through. And
so this is what people want to know. They want to know that you're good at what you do, that you know what you're talking about, and the objective here is to create awareness, right? To build credibility, trust, and authority.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. What video does.
That's exactly what it is.
And then they will call you, because as soon as you hook them with this 30-second video, that's step number one, is we're gonna produce content, and we're gonna talk about the topics here in a minute, how obvious and easy it is to know what to talk about.
That's right.
Okay, Google will tell you, okay? Then you create this 30-second video, and you're gonna know if it's good because you're gonna pixel a lot of people. And then it's about building up your audience. Mm-hmm. So right now, I have 300,000 realtors that have watched my stuff that are pixeled. So anytime I can push out a video content to 300,000 real estate agents over and over and over again. And I can identify who watches that stuff, and we can create different custom audiences.